Hey friends, it's Megan Elizabeth from BuyMeganElizabeth.com, founder and creator of the She Makes Club, which is the place to be to make a life that you love. And I cannot wait to share this layout with you. For the month of January, we've been featuring the I Love Family kit from Echo Park, and I'm going to show you one more sneak peek of what we have coming up in February, what kit we're going to be using and what the focus and theme is. But all of January, we've been focused on the vision for our family and family scrapbook pages and cards and all kinds of fun things. So we wanted to do a little bit more with that today. I have two pictures of my family on a vacation that we just took in November, and I have Graydon here helping me out today. Can you say hi? Hi. He's my little assistant in the studio. And I wanted to just create a really cute little layout featuring this Together is the Best Place to Be and some of the papers from this kit. So we'll get started by kind of setting everything up and trimming out the images that we want to use. Like I said, I want to kind of feature this Together is the Best Place to Be. If you were here last Tuesday, I used one of these little journal cards to create an actual greeting card. Actually, it was this one, Cherishing Every Moment Spent With You. So go back and watch that tutorial if you didn't already see that. And then I want to use this Snapshots Photograph Click. I think is what I'm going to kind of focus on for this layout. I might use that, but we'll get back to that if we decide to. Are you cold today, buddy? Yeah, it's chilly. Are we getting a lot of snow?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is it fun?
Yes.
What's your favorite thing about getting snow?
So you can play in it and make snowmen.
So you can make snowmans?
And you can make snow forts, and you can also you can play a snowball fight.
Ooh, fun times. All right, so we're going to, I used this inside our creative workshop for She Makes Club. I cut out some hearts and a camera with this page. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to trim it down to a 9-inch square. And we'll still have some of this to use. I love, love, love the dandelions in this beautiful, like burnt orange and red color. It's like totally speaking my jam right now. And then I'm going to use this blue as its full background base, and I'm just kind of mixing and matching some colors together. So I want this red to map my photos because I think it's a really beautiful pop of color. Do you remember the trip, Grady? Yeah. What was this trip that we took?
The cruise.
The cruise. Where did we go? Do you remember? We went on a cruise ship, and we went, did we go someplace warm or someplace cold?
Someplace cold.
Was it cold there?
No, it was warm.
It was warm, because what did we do? Did we swim somewhere?
Yeah, we swam.
We did. We swam in the ocean, didn't we?
Well, yeah. It was a little bit cold.
It was cold on the cruise ship, wasn't it?
Yeah, but it was cold in the water.
The water was a little cold too,
Yeah.
you think?
Yeah.
Was it fun, though?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part of the cruise?
That was the time when I went on the red slide, but the time I really didn't like is the time when we went to that magic show thing.
The magic show? That magic show was a little bit of a disappointment, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Wasn't quite what we thought it was going to be.
No.
That magic show was more of an escape room, and we didn't realize it, did we?
No.
We had to figure out way too many clues that were not fun, huh?
No.
But how fun was the show that we were at? The other show.
Oh, yeah. The two shows, when the guys were singing, I love those two.
Yeah, what were they singing? Who were they singing to?
All of us.
All of us. Were they singing to Mommy too?
Yeah.
Do you remember that part?
Yeah, like you had to go up.
I did. They called me up on the stage, didn't
I don't
they?
even know where that chair came from.
Yeah, I know. They just pulled it out of nowhere. That was almost like a magic trick, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're just going to do family here. And this is something that I designed and cut out with the Cricut. You like it?
Yeah.
The word family. I cut this out with my Cricut, and I don't know if I want it to go. Should I go up here with it, Grady? Or should I put it on this part?
Put it on that part.
On the orange?
No, on the blue.
Oh, on the blue? Okay, we'll leave it on the blue. And then we have a little heart to dot the I. Maybe we'll come down here with it. How's that look?
Good.
Good? Okay. Thank you, Assistant Grady. So we're going to do that. We're going to round the corners of our Together is the Best Place to Be. Use our corner chomper, which I'm just totally obsessed with using. I have never stopped using it. I love rounding corners. Look, it took them from square corners to round corners.
That's cool.
That's so cool, isn't it? And then this is going to go right down here. So it kind of ties the colors together. Are you okay?
Nope.
What's the matter?
I hit my ankle on the...
Oh, you hit your ankle? I was going to use this, but how about we leave this off? What do you think? Or should we put it here? Ooh, that's what we could do with it. Here. I know.
No.
Here, no, I'll show you. I will show you what we're going to do. Are you ready for this?
You should probably put it all the way up. Just cut it and put it all the way up there.
How about we put it right here and we have it come out here?
That's cool.
That is cool, isn't it? And then we can have a couple hearts here. Here and here. How about that? What do you think? Are you a fan?
Yes.
Yeah. All right, so let's adhere this all together really quickly now that we know what we want to do.
We're gonna do it.
We're gonna do it. ATG, just a couple strips.
And then stick it on.
Yeah, so easy, right?
Yeah.
Here.
Easy.
And we'll have this come off here.
Okay. And you're gonna put that right there. Which
Yeah.
is awesome.
It is awesome, isn't it?
Yeah.
So easy.
And now we're gonna do the same thing with the other one.
Yep.
Which is the cruise one that I really like, and I really miss the cruise.
You really miss the cruise?
Yeah, I want to go on like that. You remember the one that with the blue thing on it?
I know you want to go on that Royal Caribbean cruise ship so badly, don't you?
Yes, I do. Or the same one again, because I want to go on that red water slide more.
You really liked that red water slide. That was a lot
Yeah.
of fun, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have this go all the way to the edge here, so that little stitching kind of like ties together. And then I think, keep playing with this. What do I want to do here? We're gonna have it offset a little bit. I am. I gotta adhere this guy down. Nice big strips of adhesive on here.
And then
Alright.
stick it on like a big piece of paper again.
Yeah. But before we put family on, we're gonna go around and we're going to, with a brown pen,
Cool.
we're going to leave some dash lines. It's like a brown red. This is one of my gel pens that I love. And I'm going to go around, and because there's stitch lines here, I'm going to do some stitch lines around the outside edge because I've been back in that groove of doing dash lines and dots on my pages. But it's fun to do them in different colors.
It's like
Yeah.
flying dots on your phone.
Is it?
Yeah.
They're little dash lines though instead, so that's kind of cool. It looks like sewing, doesn't it?
Yeah. I actually wish I had dots on the iPad so I could play it. Because I really want to play it really bad.
Do you remember what month we went on the cruise in?
April.
Nope.
January?
We're in January right now. We went in November. But it was fun, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, and we went to Bermuda. I don't think we ever said where we went. We went to Bermuda.
Yeah, Bermuda was so fun.
It was so fun. I agree. So I'm actually going to
I
write.
want to go there again. He's going to write lines on it.
I'm going to write November 2019 on here.
This blanket's soft.
And it is soft. He's using my office blanket. He's all wrapped up in it.
Which is very good.
And then I'm just grabbing my Zig Squeeze and Roll, which is my adhesive that I do, especially on my Cricut cuts. I've been using this for years and years. I do have a link to get this kit and all the products that you see. It's my Amazon store. that you can shop through Amazon and get all the things that I'm making with.
That looks awesome.
You think it looks awesome?
Yeah, I like it.
Okay, we'll do it right there since you like it. It's a little further over than I wanted it to be, but that's okay. You think it's good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, isn't it when we were on the cruise? No.
Wait, what?
No.
Is what now?
I thought that was when we were on the cruise, but no.
It is when we were on the cruise. What do you mean?
No, this.
Oh, I see.
On the pictures. Forget what we did there. I think
That was our wedding. Mommy and Nate's wedding.
yeah, right. I forgot about Papa.
All right, and then I have a heart as the little dot for the eye.
Which is awesome.
It is awesome,
And
isn't it?
cute.
It's so cute. Move it over just a little bit. Okay, so that's all good.
Okay, that looks good.
You like it?
I wish you could make me one. Yeah,
I want to do this heart here.
she'll put it all there on the side on the blue.
What do you mean?
Put it. No, not like.
Well, I want the
Put it-
heart there, but what?
Put it right there.
Oh, you think so?
Yeah, like put one of them right there.
We could cut out a few more hearts if you think. But
Yeah.
I kind of want to just keep them right there in the center. I think that's a lot of fun. Here, I have a heart punch right here. Should we try it?
Oh, that's cool.
This is like,
Don't do it yet. Oh, now do it.
don't do it yet.
Yeah, now do
All right.
it. You can do it. Now you can do it.
Well, let's line it up in here.
Let's see how cool it looks.
We'll do a couple of them. Oof. We could do them as green hearts or blue hearts.
Can you? Ooh. Blue
You're
hearts.
such a fan of the hearts, aren't you?
Yeah.
Should I do one more?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Oh, you got another one done. Put it in the other corner.
Yeah?
But down, like the.
Like there?
Yeah.
Alright. I'll do it. Just for you. By request, per Graydon's advice, we're going to do a couple more hearts in the corners.
Yeah.
He's such a good designer. What do you think? Like that?
Yeah.
And then one down here.
Put a blue one down there.
I'm going to do the green one down here.
Ooh. And then can you put a different one on there?
On where?
A second one on there?
No, we're good with that. We'll just leave it at that for now.
Okay. It looks pretty good to me.
We could do, if you wanted to have the 3, we could do the red heart here from the sticker sheet.
Yeah.
What do you think? Do you like that?
I think you should put it there. Keep it there. And put a flower right there.
You think so?
Whoa, this one looks good. This one looks cool.
Yeah, that is a pretty flower. We'll save that for another, how about another time?
Okay.
We could do this one,
Which one is it?
the little flower.
Sure.
We can put that right here.
I saw she could do the bird too.
The bird.
Can you do that flower?
You want that flower?
And that one.
Oh goodness, we like all the flowers, huh?
No, not all of them.
Should we do this one here?
Yeah.
There. Are we good with that?
Mhm.
Okay. And we'll call that a day. Do you want to show them what other kit we're going to be using? This is the one we used this month. This is the I Love My Family Echo Park kit for January. So you can go back and participate in our live creative workshop that we did. Well, it's not live anymore. It's pre-recorded now. But our creative workshop that we did for January inside SheMakes.club. I would love to have you come join. It is our exclusive membership where we are telling our stories, past, present, and celebrating and making a future that we can't wait to celebrate and record those memories and enjoy together.
Flip, flop, flip, flop.
And then for February, we're going to be talking about love and showing
That
up for
one
love.
looks good.
It's
I like
so
the cake.
pretty.
I like
Yeah.
the cake.
So this is called Wedding Bliss from Echo Park, but I don't want anybody to be thrown off because there's so many gorgeous designs that are not just for wedding. I cannot wait to show you this to celebrate Valentine's Day and love with the black and gold and white and that blush pink. Yes, there are some wedding and bridegroom type sentiments, but there's beautiful ones that can be used for any occasion and to really celebrate love. So I can't wait to make with you coming in February. Please like, subscribe if you're new here. I would love to have you be part of our by Megan Elizabeth family, and join us at SheMakes.club. Have a great day, guys. Enjoy the moments.
Bye. Love my mom also.
Love you too, buddy. Bye.